Hey guys. All right, we're going to look at our blends again. Hold on one second. Let me move my face. All right. Ba. B. A. Ba. Remember, when we're doing a blend, we say the first sound over here on the left. We say the first sound, then we say the second, then we go back to the beginning and blend them, okay? Let's go to the next one. B. I. B. Good. B. E. Be. B. A. Ba. Good. B. Ba. O. A. La. O. I. Li. Good. Ready? O. E. Le. O. A. La. O. A. La. T. A. Ta. Ready? T. E. Te. T. I. Ti. A. Ta. T. A. Ta. A. Ma. E. Me. I. Me. A. Ma. Good. Ma. All right. A. Na. Good. E. Ne. I. Ni. A. Na. Na. This is our new letter. A. Ha. Remember, always go back to the beginning and grab that first sound. E. He. I. He. A. Ha. Ha. All right, guys, we went over our blend letters for today. I hope that you are blending these at home. Bye, friends.